Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Paula, my channel is PJ Danita Trends, and we're coloring in the Low Income Savings Challenge coloring book. So if you're new here, I'm glad you found me. Today we're jumping back into our challenge and we're going to finish another row together. So if you're new, I add up the next row and then that's what I color in. So today I'm going to be saving a total of $85. It actually adds up to 84, but I decided to just round up. So I hope you have your coloring book and your colored pencils or just a notebook. Either way, let's make saving money feel simple, doable, and honestly kind of fun. All right, so today we're working on this row here, and each object on this row represents a small dollar amount. Something realistic, something achievable, especially if you're working with a low income or an inconsistent income. And I always say this, saving money doesn't have to be big, and it certainly doesn't have to be dramatic. It can be tiny, consistent steps. Even $2, even $5, it all counts, it all adds up. And the fact that you're here coloring with me, or at least watching, means you're already taking action. So as I fill in this row, I want to talk about something that comes up in my comments. People say I don't make enough to save. I also get the comment, saving feels impossible. And trust me, I get it. I've been there. That's exactly why I started doing these low income challenges. It's simple and it's achievable. So when you break it down into small amounts, it becomes less overwhelming. You're not trying to save hundreds at once. You're just focused on the next little shape, the next little dollar amount, and before you know it, you've completed a whole row, then a whole page, and then a whole challenge. And honestly, coloring makes it feel less like budgeting and more like self-care, just something fun to do for yourself. Okay, so we're about halfway done with the row. So if you're coloring along with me, let me know in the comments what amounts you're saving today. Even if it's just one shape, you want to celebrate that because progress is progress. Now let's be honest for a second. Saving on a low income isn't easy. Some weeks just covering the bills and groceries are the win for the week. So if it ever feels like you don't have enough, this challenge is for you. If this video is helping you feel a little more motivated or a little less alone, go ahead and tap that like. It really helps this series reach other people who need it. As I color this row, I'm reminding myself that progress doesn't have to be extreme. Quiet consistency matters. Some months you'll fill more boxes, some months fewer, but showing up is what builds the habit. If you're doing a savings challenge too, comment below. And if you're not saving yet, that's okay. You can still color with me. Sometimes motivation comes before the actual money. I really want you to hear this. Your income does not define your discipline. Your pace does not define your worth. Small steps count. Slow progress counts. You count. All right, so we're finishing up this row. I love seeing it come together. It's such a simple thing, but it feels good every time. So as always, I will leave a link to the coloring book and the coloring pencils in the description box below. For those of you who like to scan QR codes, I'll pop it up on the screen. But I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for coloring along or just watching as I color and make progress. I hope you all are having an amazing day. And I hope y'all are staying warm wherever you are. We just got through a snowstorm and we have another one on the way. And to be honest, I'm going to be probably in this weekend and doing some more coloring and saving. So you'll want to tune in if you're snowed in like I'm going to be snowed in. But that's it. Thank you again for watching. Take care. And I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Keep coloring, keep saving, keep making progress one step at a time. Bye for now, everyone.